Imagine you own one of Europe's most popular cars, a Volkswagen Golf, a Skoda Fabia, an Octavia, a vehicle millions rely on for their daily commute. You bought it because you trusted German engineering. But deep inside that small, efficient engine, a tiny, cheap component is waiting like a silent killer, ready to completely obliterate your bank account. Welcome to the infamous Volkswagen 1.2 TSI timing chain nightmare. This story concerns a first generation of VW's downsized turbocharged engines, specifically the EA111 family built between 2009 and 2012. Volkswagen engineers wanted a small engine that was light and efficient, but they made a fatal error with one of the most critical parts of the engine, the timing chain. The timing chain has one job: to sync the top and bottom of your engine. It must keep the pistons from hitting the valves. If that chain fails, your engine self-destructs. But VW decided to use a chain that was shockingly thin. Mechanics often joke that it looks more like a chain from a child's bicycle than a component meant to withstand thousands of RPMs inside a combustion engine. This flimsy chain has two massive flaws. First, it simply can't handle the load. Over time, the poor quality metal actually wears down, causing the chain to stretch. When the chain stretches, the engine's timing gets slightly out of sync, but that is only part of the problem. The real disaster lies with the hydraulic chain tensioner. This tensioner relies on engine oil pressure to keep the chain tight. If you have an old oil pump or you use a poor quality oil, the pressure drops, and there's a deadly scenario mechanics dread. If you park your car on a steep hill, leave it in gear, and do not use the parking brake, the car's weight can slightly turn the engine backwards. The tensioner loses its oil pressure and the chain goes completely slack. The next time you turn the key, that loose, stretched chain has enough slack to violently jump over the teeth of the gears. It's an interference engine, which means the pistons and valves are now perfectly out of sync. In a fraction of a second, the pistons violently smash into the open valves with an explosion of sound. Instant destruction. Piston rings shatter, valve stems are bent, and your cylinder head is turned into junk. Because of that flimsy $10 bicycle chain and a faulty tensioner, your reliable family car is now a paperweight. Your only option is a complete total engine replacement, a cataclysmic repair bill often exceeding $2,000 or $3,000, which can easily be more than the entire value of the car. Millions of drivers across Europe were affected, forced to replace entire engines because VW chose to save a few pennies on a critical component. Have you ever owned one of these 1.2 TSI nightmares, or did you sell it before the ticking time bomb exploded? Let us know in the comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to Overdrive Engineering for more catastrophic mistakes.